Alright, alright, alright. Dapper Cracker back at you. Check this. So I'm installing a system in a Jeep. I'm doing 2 Javelin 10s. I'm going to build a custom box. This is the little radio that was in that thing. And I'm putting a Blaupunk Vermont in it. Got my Sky High fused blocks, base 1200 recoil 4-channel, speaker grills, all the material to build the enclosure, 4 gauge, and a little tool table set up here. And here's the Jeep we're working on. What's up, bunny cat? You gonna tell him hi? Say,
excuse the monkey feet.
Come on. Here's the Jeep we're working on. I'm waiting for my alternator standoff to come in and the IL Customs battery terminals. I've got the dash torn apart, wire harness built for the radio. I run my 1-aught down that side. Install a new RCA jacks and remote wire. Got our DS18 sticker on there. So wire loomed everything up going down. There's the 1-aught. Installed these wakeboard speakers in the back. She had these crappy Scotch 6x9 boxes she wanted to do away with. So I'm going to build little trim rings around these. See how the magnets got them kind of floating off the carpet. So I think we're going to build a trim ring and route a nice edge out on them and kind of stand them off. But I'm waiting for the alternator standoff, like I was saying, and the battery terminals to come in from IL Customs. Come on. Look how small that wire is. That's what's charging the whole damn Jeep, and it back feeds into the fuse box and then back to the battery. So you're trying to charge that with a system and the winch. Look how big the winch wire is. I mean, I explained to them that that'll never work. That is a bottleneck. So I'm gonna fix all that, clean it up, and do a Harley Davidson underglow kit on this thing, and we'll be up and running. It's gonna be a cool little project. I went through a whole damn tub of wire loom and a whole bag of zip ties, but it looks a lot better, man. I cleaned all the wires up, wires hanging down on the pedals. Thinking about giving her a can of Marhide to finish painting all this dash brown and the door panels, but I'll get back to you once it's finished. We're working on it slowly but surely. Dapper Cracker out!